Here's 2-point perspective. 2-point perspective, we're going to need our horizon line. Remember, that's where the land and sky divide. Okay, and instead of having one vanishing point, we're going to have two. So we'll place them on our horizon line. And how do we know when we need 1-point perspective or 2-point perspective? Well, when you look at things, if you see that all of the lines are converging to one place and your buildings and so forth are happening, then you have a 1-point perspective situation. There's also inside rooms and so forth. I'll give you some examples in just a minute. Anytime that you're looking at the corner of something, like the corner of a street, a corner of a building, a corner of a table, if you have that corner closest to you first, then that's when you want to use 2-point perspective. Alright, so in this case, let's make a corner of a building toward us. So we're going to put a line, let's see, I'll put one closer to one side than the other. Okay, a vertical line, that's the corner of the building that's closest to us. Now we're going to go back toward the vanishing point for this side of the building or the box, whichever one you want it to be. And this side, so now we have one wall that is receding, getting further away, with the corner closest to us. Now the opposite side of the building or the box is going to go to the other side. So we have it receding, also converging to that vanishing point, and converging to this vanishing point with a vertical line. Remember, whatever happens in the front happens in the back. So that you have now created a 2-point perspective box or building or whatever. Let's say that there's a sidewalk here and it goes around the corner and goes far, far, far down the road. Okay? This is really easy because our building goes both below and above eye level. But let's do a short building that stays below eye level so that you can see what happens there. Okay, so I'm going to make another vertical line next to this one. And we're going to make it below eye level. So it'll just be this big. Now I'm looking down on it and I'll be able to see on the roof of this shorter building. Let's say it's like a really tall skyscraper next to a really short little house that's been built around it. Okay, so now I'm still going to go to the vanishing point over here and to the vanishing point again for this wall, just like we did before. And I'm going to end it, the vertical line. Now I'm going to go this direction for this side, going from the top edge. It's going to be real skinny. And going from the bottom edge. Okay, now I need to make the wall here, just like I have here. I have to make it stop. So I'm going to make it, there's a place where my ruler's not goofed up, a vertical line to end it. Now we have two walls, one's going this way and one that's going this way, but we have no roof. So in order to make our roof, we're going to go the opposite directions now. We're going to go from this corner this way, okay, for the roof top. And then we're going to go from this corner this way so that we can complete the roof of our little building there. So now that one is below eye level. We can see on the roof of it, but this one isn't. It's above our eye level, so we cannot see on the roof of it. Alright, so there's your 2-point perspective lesson. See if you can make several buildings, always making the corner line closest to you first, and then your lines go converging toward the vanishing points that you've set up on your page for your 2-point.